First, open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three lines at the bottom right corner. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap About Gallery. Before continuing, make sure your Gallery app is updated to the latest version. Now, look for the version number. Tap the version number 7 times quickly. This will enable Gallery Labs. Go back to the previous screen. Scroll down and tap Gallery Labs. Now scroll down until you find Album Entry Locks. Turn on the toggle next to Album Entry Locks. If a confirmation message appears, tap OK. Now close the Gallery app completely. Then open the Gallery app again. Select the album that you want to lock. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. You should now see the Lock Album option. Tap Lock Album. The selected album will now be locked. To open the locked album, tap on it. You will need to verify your identity using your PIN, password, and fingerprint. After your fingerprint is verified, the album will open. That's it. This is how you can lock individual albums in the Gallery app on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.